Today's I am came from the comments, and today's I am says, I am courageous because the Lord is with me wherever I go. I am courageous because the Lord is with me wherever I go. Today's I am, and that came from the comments. Now let's start this eye look. Still working with the Deadly Rose by Clarity Cosmetics palette. I am going to use the green in here today, and I'm going to put that all over my eyes. What next? I don't know. We'll find out. You are with me. This one have a lot of kick up, the green. Very pigmented. Lots of kick up in the pan. Usually that's what happens. The more pigment the color have, the more kick up you see in the pan. But don't let that worry you. Just keep playing with your makeup. Hello everyone, welcome to Makeup Without Limitations, where you can use your makeup any way you want, anyhow you want, and have fun with it. At the end of the day, if that's what makes you happy, do that. And when it is ready to take it off, just wash it off and all is well. This is the green. It is pretty. It is pigmented, but it is pretty. Do I want to go up into the brow bone? Nah. Today I'm going to put a highlighter in the brow bone. I'm taking this shade and I'm going to put it right here in the brow bone. Remember, each eye is different. One eye is always bigger than the other. You just have to play with your makeup to make it look as close as possible, but they'll never be the same because one eye is bigger than the other. It's how you camouflage it that makes it look like everything is okay. Now this is, do you see this? This is cute. Now I take a clean brush. I apply the shimmer with my fingers because I did not want fallout and I did not know if it's gonna give me fallout. And now I'm taking a clean brush and I'm just going to blend it in so it mesh with the green. Like that. There is a green shimmer in there. This one right here, I'm going to take it and put on my eyes. So we're just going all dark. This is a green on green. I think I'll use another. I'll put another shimmer in the center of it. The same color I have in the brow bone, I'm just going to take it and put it right here just to break up the green a little. Nothing much, just a little bit right in the center. Just to bring a little light. I am courageous because the Lord is with me wherever I go. Today's I am, and that was left in the comments. Make sure whatever you do or whoever you pray to is always with you wherever you go. Today's eye look, 3 colors. matte green, shimmer green on the lids, and that shimmer in the brow bone is also in the middle of my lid. Please remember to stay creative, be creative. It does not have to be makeup, but you are creative in other things. Always, always, always remember you first. Never, ever, ever give up on yourself. The world might be against you, but you don't have to be against yourself. Give yourself some self-love. And know that your Lord is with you wherever you go. Until I see you and you see me. Share this video. Hype this video. When you do hype the video, after you finish hyping the video, you swipe right so you can leave your comments. Your hype helps my video be visible to a whole different audience I might not reach. I thank you in advance for doing all of that. And again, remember, whoever you pray to, make sure they are with you wherever you go. Bye.